Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day. So today I will discuss exercise 3.1 and 3.9 page 90. Okay, I do hope that all of you try your own first and then look the solution. Okay, if you're stuck. So we go through 3.1 first. So if you look question 3.1, when the health department tested private well in a county for 2 impurities commonly found in drinking water, it found that 20% of the well had neither impurity, 40% had impurity A, and 50% had impurity B. Okay, so you can see it's very long sentence here. But at the first place, you must look what is, I think some of you didn't understand what is private well. You can try Google and look. It seemed like a perigi. Okay, in a county for 2 impurities commonly found in drinking water. So in a county, that's mean in Malaysia we consider daerah, for example. Okay, there are 2 impurities commonly found in drinking water. So drinking water, sometimes we have what? Hydrogen, mineral, we have oxygen, isn't it? So in this case, they have 2 impurities commonly. Okay, they mentioned 2 impurities commonly found in drinking water. So first, it found that 20%, okay, I put here, you have 20% of the well had neither impurity, that's mean no impurity, okay, and then 40% had impurity A, okay, and 50% had impurity B, okay. So that's we have, okay. Obviously, some had both impurities, okay. Sometimes they have both, okay. Both, so that's mean, oh, that's mean you have A and you have B. So this one show you both. Okay. If a well is randomly chosen from those in the county, find the probability distribution for Y. Okay. Find the probability distribution for Y. So what is Y? The number of impurity found in the well. So you must have here Y is the number of impurities found in the well. Okay, so now we want to find this probability distribution function. Probability distribution function for Y. So if you look here, Y can be what? Y is the number of impurity found in the well. So Y can be no impurity, 1 impurity, or 2 impurity. So this is Y. Y can take this one. But we want to find PY. PY is what? The probability distribution function for Y. Okay. So from information here, no impurity, you get 20%. So 20%, if in the probability, it will be 0.2. Okay. And then what is A and B? Okay, if 1 impurity, what is it? We have 40% for A, 50% for B. Okay, so we let this one, we will come back here later. Okay, look number 2. If the well have both impurities, A and B here. Okay, so based on this information, okay, you must find the probability here. So if you remember from your previous course, counting and probability, you have learned Venn diagram, if I'm not mistaken. So if you look this event, you can see that you have impurity A and then you have impurity B. So this one, there is an intersection because some had both impurities. So here you will have PA intersect with PB. Okay, so this one will be PA, this one will be PB only. Okay, so here actually you have PA, PB only. PA, PB. Okay, but this one P, no. Okay, no impurities. So here, from this information at this side, you must find the intersection first. Okay, so if you remember, okay, you will have PA plus PB minus PA intersect with B. This one equal with 1. Okay, so if you look here, PA from here you get 0.4 plus PB is 0.5. Okay, 0.5, and then we want to know this one, A intersect B. So how do you have it? Oh, sorry, this is PB 0.5 here. How you get 0.5 ni? From here. Okay, here, from here. Alright, so we want to know PA intersect with B. So basically we have 1 minus 0.9, so you get 0.1. So this one, that's mean for the intersection, if you have both purities A and B, you get 0.1. Okay, so here the total must be 1, isn't it? So can you get this one? For sure can. Okay, so you have 1 minus 0.3, you get 0.7. So here 0.7. So this is what we want here. Okay, so if you look this question, you can see lah, isn't it? Okay, this part ni. If you look the star part ni is information that you have learned before. Okay, so you must remember something like this. Okay, so the answer this one lah. Okay, basically you can have, if you write it nicely, you will have Py equal to 0 equal to 0.2. Py equal to 1, you get 0.7. Py equal to, you get 0.1. So here total must have 1.0. Alright? Okay. So next, now we continue with question 3.9. In order to verify the accuracy of their financial account, companies use auditor on a regular basis to verify accounting entries. Okay, so they use auditor to verify the accounting entries. The company's employees make erroneous entries 5% of the time. So make erroneous means make error entries 5%. Okay, they make error entries 5% at the time. Okay, suppose that an auditor randomly check 3 entries. Okay, this is important. They do for 3 times, 3 entries. A, find the probability distribution for Y. What is Y? The number of error detected by the auditor. So, one entries, is it error or no error? Okay, and then second entries, is it error or no error? And then third entries, error or no error. So Y is the number of error detected. So here, if you look situation, error can be 0 error, 1 error, 2 error, or 3 error. Okay, so the question asks you to find the probability distribution for Y. That means they ask you to find Py here. Okay, so at the first place, you must know what is the experiment, right? You have first entry, either error or no error. Error, how many? How much is the percentage? 0.05. And then here, no error, 0.95. And then this is first entries. Now you have second entries. You have error, you have no error. Okay, and then here, error, no error. So similar, the probability will be 0.05, 0.95, 0.05, 0.95. This is second entries. And then you have third entries. So here you have error, you have no error, error, no error, error, no error, error, no error. So similar. If you have error 0.05, no error is 0.95. Okay, so now you can see the outcome is the first one, E. So you have 3 error, and then you have E, no. Okay, and then you have E, no, E, no, E, no, no, E, no, and then you have no, E, then you have no, no, then you have no, E, then you have no, no. Okay, so you can see you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, Y is the number of error detect. Okay, number of error detect. So error can be 0, 1 error, 2 error, or 3 error. 3 entries, 3 is error. Okay, so this is your Y. So this one you can see lah. This is a discrete. You cannot take decimal places. Okay, so now find the probability distribution for Y. So this one you need to, for this one, how many? How much do you get? 0.05 times 0.05 times 0.05. So here you will get, what is the value? Okay, you will get 0.00125. And then here similar, you times like this, 0.5. I'll show you a little bit here, but you must try your own. 0.05, here is 0.95. So this one you get 0.02375. Oh, 0.02375. Okay, and then you get 0.02375. You get 0.045125. Here you get you need to try calculator. Okay, basically here you will get 1. Okay, N 0.95. You get 0.1. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 ni. You get 0.857375. So total here is 1. Okay, so this is your PY. Okay, this is your PY. Now a B omit because construct a probability histogram. So basically this one similar with this one lah. You have 0, 1, 2, 3, and then this is your PY. So 0 until 1, isn't it? So 0, you can see no error. This one 0.857. So it will be here. Something like that here. Okay, and then 1 error. You look 1 error. You have this one. 2. So you need to plus, and then you can see how is the value. Okay. Now question number C. Okay. Find the probability that the auditor will detect more than 1 error. So this one, Y is the number of error detected. So the question asks you, find the probability P that the auditor will detect Y more than 1. So more than 1, do you have included equal or not? No, isn't it? So greater than 1. So that means this one will be Py equal to 2 plus Py equal to 3. So look, what is 2 error? This one is 2 error, 2 error, 2 error. Okay, and then 3 error, this one. So you plus, you get the answer. Okay, let me show you by using. Okay, I add a new slide here. So I do hope that I can show you the last one for question C though. Okay, so basically you will have Py greater than 1. This one actually Py equal to 2 plus Py equal to 3. So from the tree diagram too, basically here you will get 0.00725. Okay, and some student also can use this one, Py greater than 1. That means 1 minus Py equal to 1 plus Py equal to 0. This one also you will get the same answer, 0. You will get something first here, which is 1 minus something. Okay, and then you get 0.0725. Okay, the same answer should you get. Alright, so this is how you solve question 3.9. Okay, if you still have problem with or to understand this one, please WhatsApp me. Okay, as soon as possible. Alright, thank you class.